All right, pre-AP, we are going to do the second part of these notes for your homework, and they are over interjections. So interjections are actually, like, prepositions are the hardest, interjections are the easiest, right? So an interjection is an abrupt remark, period. It is usually made as an interruption. So, like when Harry barks, like when I'm teaching, or Mazi, they bark when I'm teaching, that's an interjection, literally interjecting yourself. So again, I'm going to push enter. You can push 1, period, space, and it will automatically do the numbered list. OMG, I forgot to turn the stove off. What do we think the interjection was? OMG. Second example. Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear about that. What do we think the interjection is? That one would not be an interruption, right? Because if she's hearing about something, it's in the middle of a conversation. It's oh no. Last part. Then all of a sudden, I heard bam. That would be your interjection. An abrupt remark. Pretty simple, right? Common examples are oh, boo, whoa, brr, yum, yippee, right? So just normal common things that high schoolers say. Just kidding, guys. But yeah, go ahead and make sure that your notebook looks like mine on slide 20. Prepositions and interjections. Next, you are going to practice prepositions. You're going to practice adding them to sentences, and then you're going to practice identifying them. Once you do all of those things, then your homework will be done.